Hi Com130, this is Danae Cox, and I am showing you the original ad that I picked for Reebok. It is from the Be Human campaign, and the design elements that they used for this ad are alignment. As you can see right here, these are aligned to the right, and then here they are aligned to the left. So they have two different alignments in their first ad. And now the other things I wanted to talk to you about was their color choice and their color scheme. They used a dark color, which they used mainly grays and dark greens. They had this repetition in their color by adding this gray swipe here, and then they added some gray smoke in here as well. Their typography, they used a sans serif here, and then also a sans serif in their tagline and their logo. But here you can see they used a contrast, and they used a serif font, a modern serif font. They also used different sizing to make those contrast more. They also have a focal point here, and they used contrast here also to make that focal point. As you can see, they added some white smoke behind her, and they put the words behind her also to make her stand out as their focal point. You can also see that they have her in a sharp focus, whereas in the background, everything is kind of out of focus. So going on to the new ad, this is the new ad that I have. What I did here is I used the same consistent alignment where I aligned my ad here on the right, and then I aligned the taglines and everything on the left. I also have a consistent color theme with the grays, as you can see here, and the greens in the background. I also used a consistent font. I used the sans serif here and also here, where I used a serif on the word demons to make that stand out. I was consistent in using the woman as the focal point, and also I used the contrast of the blurry background where she's in a sharp focus to make her more of the focal point. And that's my ad. I think that the ad goes well with the original ad. I used the same color scheme, the same alignment and typography. I also used the design elements of contrast. So I think this would be a good addition to Reebok's campaign. Thank you.